If you're wondering how to track email opens in Mailchimp, you're in the right place. I'll show you how to easily monitor the performance of your email campaigns so you can fine-tune your strategies and boost your results. Before we dive in, I want to mention that you can use Mailchimp completely free, and if you check out the first link below, you'll get exclusive bonuses that you can't find anywhere else. Stick around till the end to find out how you can make the most of your free trial. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure you're logged into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate to your campaign dashboard. If you haven't created a campaign yet, go ahead and set one up. Tracking opens is part of the email setup process, so let's move on to the next step. Next thing, once you've created your email campaign, you'll want to enable tracking. When you're in the campaign builder, look for the tracking options in the setup phase. This is where you can enable open tracking. Make sure the option to track email opens is checked off. By doing this, Mailchimp will automatically track how many people open your email, which is crucial for measuring engagement. Now that you've enabled tracking, let's move on to how to view the results. Once your campaign is sent, go to your campaign reports. Here, you'll find the open rate statistic, which shows the percentage of people who opened your email. You can drill down into specific segments of your audience to see who's opening your emails and how often. This gives you an insight into your campaign's effectiveness and your audience's behavior. The fourth thing to keep in mind is that you can further analyze email opens by looking at the geographic location of your opens, device type, and even the time of day when your emails were opened. This data can be incredibly useful for tweaking your campaigns in the future to get even better results. You can access these analytics directly from your Mailchimp dashboard. The last thing I want to point out is that Mailchimp doesn't just track email opens, it also tracks other engagement metrics like clicks and unsubscribes. So, while email opens are important, don't forget to check the full report to get a clearer picture of how your campaign is performing. Remember, all of this can be done with Mailchimp's free plan, and if you want to take it to the next level, check the link below for an exclusive extended free trial. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and if you want more tips on using Mailchimp effectively, be sure to check out our other videos on email marketing strategies.